Today, I like to give you practical tips for quieting the internal chatter and external distractions to truly hear nature. First of all, when you arrive at a place like this, you need to pause for 1 full minute without any goals and no prayers and no phone. Let your mind catch up with your body. You need to name the noise that has been distracting you. You can silently say planning or worrying or remembering. You need to name thoughts, and when you name these thoughts, you drain their power without fighting them. And then you need to breathe with a rhythm you can hear. Inhale as the wind moves the leaves. Exhale as it settles. Breathe becomes a bridge, not a task. Let them pass like clouds while you stay rooted like a tree.